each problem. So we're going to learn about how to answer the problems in page 223. So let us start. I will read it. Label by five marker pens. And at 43 pesos. So she will buy the markers at 43 pesos. Each 3 boxes. Okay, let's see. 3 boxes of crayons. Crayons. 3 boxes crayons. So next you will put that at 30 pesos. 30 pesos. And then each, like each. So what you do now is you will 5 marker pens and at 43 pesos. So there's 5 marker pens and 43 pesos. You will multiply 43 pesos to 5. So you'll write here 43. The biggest number goes first. Next, that's the first one. And the 5, make sure that it is down the last 0 here, this one here. And you'll write a line. So 5 times 0. And then you will put the times. So next you will 5 times 0. Here's the times. And you will put here 5 times 0 equals 0. And 5 times 0 again is 0. Put a dot. And then next, 5 times 3 equals 50. Bring down 5 and you put the 1 in the 4, of the 4. And the next, 5 times 4 equals 20. And 5 times 4 equals 20, right? So there's a 1 in the top of the 4. So you will do 20 plus 1 equals 21. So you will write here 21 and a peso sign. And that is there. That will be the answer. So next we will read again. So here there is 3 boxes crayons at 30 pesos each. So you will write first the biggest number first, and the peso sign first. Biggest number 0, and then next you will write the 3. The 3, and make sure it's under the 0 like the 5. So you put it like that, and then you put a line. So, and the times. So you will 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 0 equals 0. And you put a dot like that one. So next, you will 3 times 0 equals, it's still 0. And 3 times 3 equals 9. So it's 90. And you will put a peso sign. Don't forget to put a peso sign. Okay? And now pay in all? So the question is that how much will she pay in all? So you will write here a peso sign and the first, which one is the biggest one? The 90 or the 215? Right, it's the 215 pesos. So you will write a plus sign. You will plus that to get the answer and how much will she pay in all. So you will plus it to the 90 pesos. So you will put a peso sign and 90, and make sure it's not like that. It's not like that. There's 3 numbers on top and 2 only here. So what you will do is you will put a 9 and a 0. Wait. You will put 9 and 0 like that. Make sure the 9 is like going down the 1 because 215 is bigger. So, and make sure that the 0 is down the 15. And you put a dot, and then you put 0. And then 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 0 too. So, next you'll put a dot. Like I said, the 5 plus 0 equals 5, because you don't need to do it because that's only in multiplication, because 0 plus 0 times 5 equals 0. So make sure you write here 5. And make sure it is under. So next, you will do 9 plus 1 equals 10. Bring down 0 and put the 1 up. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then you will put the peso sign. And then how much will she pay? But she will pay 305 pesos. So that is the answer. 305 pesos. So another example writes. Students. Another example. You already know it. So you will erase. Squeaky clean. So next, I will read the problem to you. Benito will buy 3 roses for his mother's birthday. Each roses cost 40 pesos. How much will he pay for the roses? So I will write here, Benito will buy 3 roses. So I'll write here 3 first. 3 roses. You write it 3 roses for his mother's birthday. Each rose costs 40 pesos. So you'll write here 40 pesos. 40 pesos. Next, you'll write here, and you'll write the label. How much will he pay now? Each roses cost. So you'll write here, each roses says cost. So you'll write there cost. So next you will do 40, which is the biggest one? 3 or 40? That's right, 40 is the biggest one. 40 pesos. So you write there 40 pesos. It's not clear. 40 pesos and times 3, because it's the smallest one. So make sure that I said just a while ago, you will put the 3 in under the last 0. It's 0 because it's money. So 3 there. And you will write a line. Okay, it's not very clear. Sorry about that. And So you write a dot, and it's still 0 because it's times, not plus. Okay? It's still 0. And next, 3 times 4. There's also a technique in that. 4 times 3 equals 12. So you write 12 in the peso sign. So the answer is 120 because there's only 2 numbers, so you'll be confused why there are 3 numbers. Because times is just like skip counting, multiplication. So he will pay 120 pesos for the 3 roses. So, done, guys. I'm done, students. Well,